YouTube channel Physics Numericals. Today in this video I will solve a numerical from electromagnetic theory. Learn how to solve numericals step by step in an easy way. So question is, consider a planar wire loop as an n-sided regular polygon in which r is the distance from the center to a vertex. If a steady current I flows through the wire, the magnitude of the magnetic field at the center of the loop is. So we have to find out the magnetic field at the center of a loop. Now suppose this is an n-sided polygon, and r is the distance from the center O to the vertex. It is given in the question. I is the steady current that is flowing through the wire. Now we have to find out the magnetic field at point O. First of all, we know that the total angle at O will be equal to 2 pi. If suppose the angle made by one side of this n-sided regular polygon is alpha, and alpha means 2 alpha. Now this is n-sided regular polygon. It is given in the question. Regular means the angle subtended at the center O will be equal. That is alpha, and will together it will become 2 alpha. Now it is n-sided polygon, so the total angle we will multiply n to it, and that will be equal to 2 pi. From here we can get the value of alpha equal to pi by n. Now we know if a wire is having steady current I, and we have to find magnetic field at a point P which is at a perpendicular distance d from the wire, then the formula we know is B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by d sine alpha plus sine beta, where alpha and beta are the angle subtended by this wire by the two ends of the given wire at the point P. So this is the formula using which we can find out the magnetic field at point P. Now in the given polygon it is given, we can find out the magnetic field at the center O by one side. Suppose one side, we consider one side, and we are going to find out the magnetic field at point O. It is given that the r is the distance from center O to one of the vertex, and if suppose d is the perpendicular distance from the wire to the point O, then cos alpha is equal to d by r. From here we can find out d is equal to r cos alpha. Now using the formula we can find out magnetic field at point O due to this one side of the regular given polygon, regular polygon, that will be equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by d sine alpha plus sine alpha, as both the angles are equal as it is a regular polygon. So this is from one side of the polygon. If we have to find out the magnetic field at the center O due to all the n sides, then that will be equal to n multiply p1. So finally we get n multiply mu naught by 4 pi I by r cos alpha sine alpha plus sine alpha. Here this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. This will get 2. And finally we will get mu naught and I by 2 pi r tan alpha, and alpha is equal to pi by n. So finally magnetic field at the center O is equal to mu naught and I by 2 pi r tan pi by n. Thank you.